As a distance student or faculty member, you still have access to books that are housed within the ISU library in Pocatello. The process to get these books is easy and almost always free to you. There are over 600,000 books in the Pocatello Library, and we want these books to be used. First, you'll need to go to the ISU Library website, which can be found at isu.edu/library, or you can go to the quick links from any ISU page and just click on Library. You have a couple of options when searching for a book. You can use the One Search tool, which searches the catalog and also searches everything else, or you can go directly to the library's catalog. We're going to go ahead and use One Search since that's our primary search box. I'm going to search on the title, Teaching Evidence-Based Practice in Nursing, a Guide for Academic and Clinical Settings. So this found the book that I needed, but it also found thousands of other things. To limit to just books that ISU owns, come over here to this side and click on Catalog Only. This will reduce our set of search results to books we have in our ISU collection, and this list is a more manageable size to review. You can see that our desired book has Main Book Collection as its location. This means that it's in the Pocatello Library. That's not super convenient if you're nowhere near Pocatello, but we can still request these to be delivered to your nearest ISU campus or to your home. To start, just click on the Retrieve Catalog Item link. This takes you into our library catalog. You can see all the information about the book here, including the title, author, edition, table of contents, subjects, and so on. You'll want to double check to see that it's in the main book collection, which means it's in Pocatello, and you're also seeing if it's checked out or not. In this case, the book is available to be checked out. If you want to request this book delivered to you or your nearest campus, you just come up here and click on Request. From here, you enter in your 6-digit ISU ID number and your last name. On the next screen, you choose whether the book should be sent to another ISU library location where you can pick it up, such as the Meridian or Idaho Falls Library. Or, the book can be sent to you through the mail. Picking up the book from your chosen ISU library location is free. However, if you choose to have the book mailed directly to you, there will be a charge. The Mail to Home Address option will appear when you click the Mail Radio button. The Mail to Home Address option will mail the item to the address that the library has on file for you. Let's choose to ship our book to the Meridian Library. Our request has been submitted. To check or cancel your request, or to see the address that the library has on file for you, click Return to Your Record. This will take you to your library account, where you can view your existing requests and previous usage history. Your address will be shown, as well as the number of requests you currently have open. Click the link next to the flag icon, which shows the number of requests you have open, in order to see those requests. A book sent to Idaho Falls will arrive 3 to 4 days after you make your request. Books sent to Meridian will arrive in about 5 to 7 days. The librarian will contact you when the book gets in so you can come pick it up. Ordering items from the Pocatello Library is a painless process, and the library wants this service to be used, so please order what you need. And please contact a librarian if you need any help.